Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so I have decorated a table for two. I even brought in some mugs and a perfect matching teapot. Alongside of that, I have two flock trees. It is freezing cold and we're expecting snow. So let me just give you a little glance of this table. So this is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am your host, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and here we are. I have already decorated my table, so I just want to take you around to show you what it is that I placed on it. All right, so as in all collaborations, we do follow YouTube etiquettes. I am very excited. And yes, my Valentine's Day is still hanging. It's all up around the house everywhere. I absolutely love Valentine's Day. Okay, so this was a DIY vase with beautiful gemstones right here. This that came from BB Crafts, and so the cylinder vase came from the Dollar Tree. And the white roses did come from the Dollar Tree. The long stem white roses are absolutely beautiful. They came from the plus section at $3 a bunch. And then these floral picks right here with this fuchsia color that came from Walmart. And then I also grabbed from Walmart some boxwood. Beautiful, beautiful arrangement. This was a DIY vase. The video for that will be coming out soon. It's absolutely beautiful and you can use it all year round. I just recently made this floral ball, or what some people call a kissing ball, and I thought that would be great to put on this table. And yes, I'm showing little hints of vintage because I absolutely love vintage. This was thrifted, this candle holder, and the candles came from the Dollar Tree. So if we move on over here, this beautiful white box of roses, that came from the Dollar Tree as well. In the plus section, this is an absolutely great buy, guys. These are expensive if you were to buy them elsewhere. So the teapot did come from the Goodwill, and I'm using matching mugs that go also with the dinnerware. So this is really nice here. Let me go ahead and move this. My son left his jacket on the table, I just noticed. Okay, so this is the place setting I have for you today. And those mugs over there, perfectly matching what I have out for today. So the dinner, the utensils did come from Aldi. Okay, I put that spoon on top of the place setting. And isn't this an absolutely gorgeous plate set? I love it. So I decided to go ahead and lay the napkin over the dinner plate. And this is what that dinner plate looks like. I think it's so gorgeous. Okay, now, let's see. I think I got these chargers from Hobby Lobby. So those were a great buy. And I also got these woven placemats from Hobby Lobby. So these were a great buy. I decided to layer today, and then these placemats right here came from Dollar Tree, and these were a great buy. Guys, they're nice and thick. I'm not sure if they're not Dollar Tree items. So if you do see them, grab them. Because when people liquidate, a lot of the stores liquidate, the items do wind up at the Dollar Tree. All right, so I decided to go ahead and layer today. So I hope this is looking nice. I'm liking how that's looking. And then I came in with that Hobby Lobby charger. And then, of course, these dishes right here are thrifted. I'm absolutely loving this collection. So every time I see something very similar, I grab it. Then instead of putting the napkin on a napkin ring, I decided to lay it over the dinner plate. And then here is the salad plate. This is an absolutely beautiful set. And then I grabbed the spoon and I just kind of laid it in the center. You don't have to. I don't know. I just wanted to try something different. So that's what I did. This is what my place setting is looking like. Now, these were a gifted item. I believe that came, that was gifted to me by Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. And then these water glasses, they came from Goodwill. So both the settings are exactly the same. And then afterwards, we'll go ahead and have some tea or coffee or our favorite hot beverage. And then this candelabra. I'm just loving the way this came out. As it gets warmer outside, hopefully soon, I will be decorating probably a little bit more vintage. I do like different stuff, different kinds of decor. And so this is what it looks like, guys. This is what my table is looking like. I am loving it. And so I'm not ready to take that Valentine's Day yet because I am working. I am working so hard, guys, at school that sometimes I just come home so tired. But what I do want to tell you that's very exciting is that next week we have a special guest coming in, and this is Antoinette decorating. And we are going to be decorating either, if you don't have anything Mackenzie Child inspired, then you definitely want to decorate with black and white or buffalo check, anything within that. Within that little circle there. And I am very, very excited to have Antoinette pop in and be my guest for Tablescape Tuesdays next Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take you over this whole table, quick reveal, and then we'll head on over to some photos, and I'll see you next week on Tablescape Tuesdays. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.